is... Huh? Oh, thank you very much. I was actually going to bring in my funnier project for this demonstration, but it quite happened that today I managed to run it into a wall and break the laser, so that didn't go as planned. Anyway, right. So, as a lot of people do these days, I do a little bit of DJing for a couple of events, and again, this is really simple stuff. But the problem I get is that if we... Where's my... Oh, it's over there. When someone requests a song, they say, oh, can you search for this song? Oh, it's called this, and by this time, I mean, a minute is up, and so I need to cue the next song. It takes absolutely forever to get something like this done. So what I've developed is a chatbot, which allows me to bypass the whole kind of me putting all, downloading videos and stuff, and I pass it straight on to the person who wants to request the song. So all they have to do is use a chatbot called, or a chat system called Telegram, and I absolutely love this stuff. The API is wonderful. I'd really recommend checking out Telegram. It's really wonderful. And all they have to do is go on to, this can be accessed on your mobile, but I'm using the browser version. Go on to the request bot. Now this will be a bit funny because I've got it to feedback errors and also logs, so I will be requesting a song and then it'll respond to myself saying, hey, you've just requested a song. This isn't how it looks like for most people. I'd like to verify that. So we can paste in a YouTube link, and then it'll start to talk to me. It'll say, oh, I recognize this as a YouTube link. Let me download or set up a folder for you. Let's start downloading it, and again, everyone's got a thread on my processor, so it can't be hogged too much. So this now starts to download, and depending on how fast my internet connection is, not too bad, it downloads it and then it converts it to an MP3 format, gives it a sensible name, and puts it in a request playlist ready to be played, which basically means that at any point I can go over to my DJing software, and I can go into my requests library basically, and I've automatically got all of the requests people have made for that day. And on top of that, it also sends me a message, as you can see here. Because I'm the DJ and I'm also the one requesting it, it'll respond with the same message, but it'll basically say this person's requested this song, just in case, I get hundreds of messages through from one person and I need to message them saying please stop. And the code for this, where's my mouse? There we go. About 100 lines of Python I'm quite happy with. I like to keep things simple and within 100 lines. And if we have a look at my mix, nope, that's not right. Hello, can I have this window, please? Okay. Oh, there we go. Hurrah. If we go and rescan the library, which happens automatically after a certain amount of time, we should be able to scroll down to, go on to location, LMQR, S, R is above S, R requests. Here we go. So we see we have a little batch of requests here, and there's the new song, which can then be loaded in and played pretty much instantaneously, or I can listen to it and then message the person back and say, no, I'm not going to play this song. Anyway, something really simple, but I wanted to share that with you. Just a little application of Python to basically make my life a little bit easier. That's what I wanted to share.